This is the rear drum brake setup on the back of my 2000 Honda Civic CX. And I'm going to convert it to disc brakes. Check that stuff out. Pretty simple process. You don't need a whole lot of tools to do it. You can actually do it with all hand tools. You need a 10 wrench, a 12, a 14, a 19, a flat screwdriver, just to swap the stuff out. And if you're going to change the rear trailing arm bushings, you need a hammer to knock the old ones out and the new ones in. First thing you want to do is jack up the car. Next thing you want to do is take the wheels off, and then you have a bolt here, a brake line, bolt here, 2 bolts on the control arm, and then 1 at the tow arm. And that's all it takes to get these things out, aside from taking the brake line loose, the emergency brake line. Because I don't ever want to do this again, I'm going to be using a set of Prothane motion control rear trailing arm bushings. Here's the part number for you guys. And these things are pretty solid chunks here.